Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to broadcast transaction in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful desktop Bitcoin wallet focused on security, transparency, and advanced control. It supports full node connection, hardware wallet, PSBT workflow, custom fees, and manual transaction broadcasting. If you've already signed for your transaction or finalized a PSBT, here's how to broadcast to the Bitcoin network. So first you need to open to your Sparrow Wallet on your device, and after that you launch to your full wallet. You can go to this transaction here, and if you just sign a transaction, you'll see the finalized transaction summary. After signing in, you can select to this broadcast transaction if you find into this transaction here, or you can go to this file here and open to this transaction, and you need to load to the signed PSBT file if you find any of this file from here as well. And after that you can click onto this finalized transaction if fully signed, then click to this broadcast transaction here onto this open transaction, and now you can view the TXID in the transaction tab, paste it into a block explorer to track the confirmation. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.